Have you ever wondered if you're actually using the latest version of Google Chrome, or if you're missing important updates without even realizing it? Hi everyone, today I'll show you 3 simple ways to update Chrome to the latest version, so you can stay secure, faster, and fully up to date. Method 1. Using the Chrome menu indicator. First, make sure your Google Chrome window is open. Then look at the top right corner of the browser, just to the left of the 3-dot menu icon. If you see a button that says Relaunch to Update, it means an update is ready to be installed. Click this button and Chrome will restart and install the latest version automatically. Method 2. Using Chrome Settings Help page. If you don't see any indicator, use this direct method. Open Chrome. Click the 3-dot icon. Select Help, then choose About Google Chrome from the submenu. Chrome will automatically check for updates. Download the latest version if available. Install it in the background. Once it's done, click Relaunch to finish the update. This is the most reliable way to force an update check. Method 3. Reinstall Chrome. Go to www.google.com/Chrome and download Chrome. When you install the latest version of the Google Chrome web browser, it will automatically check whether Chrome is already installed on your computer. If it is, it will update it to the latest version. This process will not remove your personal data or settings. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick and easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.